Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to connect Binance Wallet to Blume, full guide. Open your Blume extension, select Connect Wallet, then choose Binance Smart Chain from the network list and authorize the connection. Keep your seed phrase private, approve only trusted dApps, and double-check network fees before signing transactions. I'll walk you through permissions and common pitfalls so you can connect safely and start managing assets with confidence. In this video, I will show how to connect Binance Wallet to Blume, full guide. First, unlock Blume and click Connect Wallet, then pick Binance Smart Chain from the network dropdown. Confirm the network switch, review the dApp permissions, and approve the connection only if you recognize the requester. I'll describe necessary confirmations, permission meanings, and a quick checklist so you can connect fast while minimizing security risks for your tokens and activity. In this video, I will show how to connect Binance Wallet to Blume, full guide. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car, grab little trees, black ice for a fresh ride after long crypto sessions. It's a tiny luxury that brightens stops between trades. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to connect Binance Wallet to Blume, full guide. Always keep your seed phrase offline, use a hardware wallet for significant balances, and enable 2FA when supported. Confirm contract addresses on a separate device, check gas settings, and deny suspicious signature requests. I'll cover examples of risky prompts and how to spot phishing attempts so you can protect funds while using Blume and Binance together confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.